Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel. So watch this video till the end. Telegram is a popular messaging app among individuals and businesses. It offers features like groups and channels to help individuals and businesses communicate with other Telegram users or convey their message to a large audience. Telegram channels are a great way to broadcast your messages to multiple users at once. A Telegram channel can have as many as 200,000 subscribers in it. Creating a Telegram channel is pretty easy. Let's see how to create a channel. First, open the Telegram app on your iPhone. Click on the message icon in the top right corner and select New Channel on the next screen. On the channel introduction page, click on the Create Channel button. Give a name to your Telegram channel. And similarly, tap on the description box and add a description to describe your channel. Hit Next. Pick the channel type between private and public. In the case of a public Telegram channel, add a channel link for your channel that others can use to find your channel. And tap Next. If you wish to add people in your contacts to your Telegram channel broadcast list, select them. If not, you can simply skip this part and click Next. And hence, your Telegram channel is created. So this is how you create a channel in Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.